Welcome to the Alpha Health, your ultimate guide to a healthier, fitter, and happier you. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on many minds: how to lose weight, and specifically, how to get rid of stubborn belly fat. We'll also talk about some foods you should avoid to help you achieve your goals. So, let's get started. Understanding weight loss. First, let's understand the basics of weight loss. At its core, weight loss happens when you burn more calories than you consume. This might sound simple, but achieving it requires a combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise. Remember, there's no magic pill. It's all about making sustainable lifestyle changes. The key to weight loss is creating a calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. Pair this with regular exercise, and you're on the right track. A balanced diet ensures you get all the nutrients your body needs while keeping your calorie intake in check. Effective strategies for losing belly fat. Cardio exercises are fantastic for burning calories and reducing belly fat. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming are all excellent choices. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of high intensity cardio each week. Let's break down some effective cardio exercises. Cardio exercises. 1. Running. A great way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Try interval training for an added boost. 2. Cycling. Whether on a stationary bike or out on the road, cycling is excellent for burning belly fat. 3. Swimming. A full-body workout that's easy on the joints and burns a lot of calories. Strength training. Strength training is essential for building muscle mass, which increases your resting metabolic rate. Here are some effective exercises. Squats. Great for your lower body and core. Deadlifts. Engage multiple muscle groups, including your core. Bench press. Effective for your upper body strength. Core workouts. Core workouts are crucial for targeting abdominal muscles. Some great exercises include planks. Hold the plank position for as long as possible to engage your core. Russian twists. Rotate your torso to work your oblique muscles. Bicycle crunches. Effective for your entire core. List of foods to avoid. Now let's talk about the foods you should avoid to lose belly fat effectively. Sugary foods and drinks. Sugary foods and drinks are packed with empty calories that lead to weight gain. Avoid sodas, candy, and desserts. Refined carbs. Refined carbs, like white bread and pasta, can spike your blood sugar levels and contribute to belly fat. Opt for whole grains instead. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in many processed foods, increase belly fat and are bad for your health. Check labels and avoid hydrogenated oils. Alcohol. Alcohol can contribute to belly fat, especially beer. Limit your intake to keep your weight in check. High-calorie, low-nutrient foods. Foods high in calories but low in nutrients, like fast food, hinder weight loss. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Healthy eating habits. Healthy eating habits are essential for weight loss. Aim for balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Healthy snacks. Choose healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and yogurt to keep you satisfied between meals. Portion control. Portion control is crucial. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if eaten in large quantities. Be mindful of your portions. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and avoid distractions while eating. Lifestyle tips for effective weight loss. Importance of sleep. Sleep is vital for weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain and increased belly fat. Stress management. Stress can contribute to belly fat. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing. Staying hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to support your metabolism and overall health. Promoting the Alpha Health. At the Alpha Health, We provide you with the best health tips, workout routines, and nutritious recipes. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha Health for more tips on how to live a healthier life. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on more health and fitness topics. To recap, we've discussed the basics of weight loss, effective strategies for losing belly fat, foods to avoid, healthy eating habits, and lifestyle tips for effective weight loss. Thank you for watching, and remember, achieving your health goals is a journey, not a race. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and you'll see results. See you next time.